Meaning of exterminate.
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 Exterminate. The word exterminate means to completely eliminate or destroy something, usually referring to living things like plants, animals, or people. The result of exterminating is that the targeted entity no longer exists in some or all locations where it once existed, and may be permanently removed from existence. The process of extermination can involve various methods, such as the use of chemicals, physical force, or other means aimed at eradicating the targeted entity. Overall, extermination is a drastic action that is often only taken as a last resort when all other options have been exhausted.